Moving machine parts have the potential to cause severe workplace injuries, such as crushed fingers, hands, amputations, burns, or blindness. Consequently, safeguarding of machines are essential for protecting workers from these preventable injuries. The purpose of this training is to expose workers to potential hazards when they come into contact with movable parts of machines, with the necessary safety procedures to adhere with when operating or working near a machine. The type of guarding used in this training is fixed guard. Machines create a high level of efficiency as compared to manual operation. These machines can be extremely dangerous, especially since there is often the need for an operator or at least some human involvement. The safety hazards involved range from a crushed finger to amputation and death. This training aimed at exposing operators, safety officers, employers, and employees to machine guarding or fixed guards for safety work process when coming into contact with machines, capable of exposing workers to potential workshop injuries. The basic rule is that any machine part, function, or process that may cause injury must be safeguarded. The first thing is to understand and identify when the fixed guards are needed and how they coincide with the work operation. Employers and safety officers should evaluate to understand if the fixed guard meets OSHA standard. Are the fixed guard preventing workers' contact with moving parts? Do the operators comfortably operate the machines? At the point of operation, are the guards provided for the machines? In the auxiliary moving parts where workers can get in contact with the machines, are the safeguards in place to prevent accidents? Once these questions are comprehended and utilized, there are additional safety practices that must be strictly adhered to in order to further prevent workshop accidents. The company must have and maintain safety policies and programs related to fixed machine guards. Employees should be given the company safety program and training on the basic procedures on machine fixed guards prior to commencement of any work process that is capable of exposing them to potential harm. Do not adjust or remove any fixed machine guard without proper authorization. The safeguarding was meant to prevent workers' injuries, thereby stimulating output. Never start any machine without confirming that the fixed guards are in place for both the operator's safety and other workers who come into contact with the movable parts of the machines. If the guard is missing or defective, cease operation and immediately contact the safety supervisor. Jewelry, rings, watches, and loose clothing should not be worn which could get caught in the moving parts of a machine in order to avoid workshop accidents. Employers should ensure that durable materials with high strength are used as fixed guard. Where bolts and nuts are used to tighten them, they should ensure that they are properly and fixed tight, and they should be fixed in their proper position to ensure their firmness and strength. Bolts and nuts should be ensured against contact with other materials in the nuts, and rusting should also be prevented in order to curb any workshop accident through losing parts. I hope that this training will create machine fixed guard solution so that employees can work in a protected environment, allowing for safety, efficient, and productive operations.